See how their capes are flying on the zip line.
I'm gonna
that
do
right?
it after.
Woo! You are the most handsome boy I've ever seen in my entire life. Okay, April, tres leche.
It was so good.
It was so good. Davey?
Best thing you've ever made.
Best
The best thing you ever made.
Okay, follow the hand. She's like a little kitty with the light.
Who wants some tea?
I would. Give me some tea?
Yeah.
Thank you. We got Davey's family came to church with us today, and
Where did you come from? I didn't see you for a long time.
oh dear. And Zayd,
Seriously, I like
thank you.
Serious?
Delicious. And Zayd said he actually learned something in church today. What was it?
Did you cut it off?
You were telling me about the planets, and I mean,
Oh yeah, scientists, the stars we can see, there's more stars in view from Earth than there are little itty bitty grains of sand on Earth. Like every little bit.
isn't that amazing?
Miles and miles of sand, beaches, sand dunes.
So there's more planets, more.
And there's more stars than that. And that means there's planets around every star because our sun is on a star.
That is, I can't even comprehend it.
Yeah, because even those are only the ones in view from Earth. But
That we can see. The ones we can't see is probably farther.
Oh.
Is that a book from here or your house?
No, it's from my house.
Because I would say I haven't seen. Oh, how cute. And you're reading. Oh, look at my crew, Joanna and April. Abby wants to help with the oranges. This is all the stuff for salad. And oh, wow, look at you. That was your thing. It's spun the same with air and without. Cruel. Crazy, huh? So cruel. I turned the camera off.
Oh, you did it with
It was really on. I just said I turned it off. Okay.
I want you to... Wait. Okay. How do we know whether it's you pushing harder or me pushing harder?
You have to be honest in doing it.
Well, we've got a
I'm honest.
scientific test here.
Okay. You are the most handsome boy I've ever seen in my entire life. She just pushes up.
I'm tired. You've been pushing my arm down the whole time.
Okay.
He likes the negative. No, it's a problem with you.
I mean...
We got little Ollie sitting here watching a movie, eating a sketty. This is tres leche cake.
Let's have it now.
Here, hey, Xander, wait. Naomi's the strawberry. It might be too hard. Just do one. Okay, we got the jumpling going out here and visiting. Everybody's set up their chairs to visit. It's actually warming up a little. You just want the Cool Whip and the strawberries. What did you do?
I smushed the spider on the trampoline.
Okay, take it outside and wipe it on the grass. Oh, okay, good idea. Thanks for saving us all. Ready for a fire?
Yeah.
Everything's been so wet. JJ, how about getting a fire going? Okay, April, tres leche.
It was so good.
It was so good. Davey?
Best thing you've ever made.
Best
The best thing you ever made.
Okay.
I want some play some patchwork.
Oh, run, Davey, run. Oh, what was it? You can't do the back kick. You can't do the back kick.
I have a fork you need to hold me.
There's a whole other
I'll tell you how I said spittily.
Spittily, the new...
Well, I was going to say Spain. No, April said Spain. I was going to say Italy, and it came out spittily. What you got? You had to be there. It was funnier when it happened.
It looks like the cake was a hit.
Now this one's turkey.
And
That's chicken. This is
we
sausage.
gotta save some for Hudson because he's the one that made it. And Shell's not here yet, Johnny, so we still got plenty of food. Still spaghetti. What you doing, E.B., huh? E.B. What you do? Oh, you find a spot to sit? He's up there, huh? How'd you get up there? Oh, Daddy helped you. Ender, are you all wrapped up? And what are these flowers from? Naomi? Is she in love with you? Oh, her loves you, huh? Wow.
You gotta tell him that you love him. You gotta tell him that you need him. You gotta thank him for all he does for you. That's what you gotta do. I know enough about love. I counted hundreds of stars above. I've been through it enough to tell you that's what you gotta do. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. You need to listen, find out all you're missing. You need to have
Oh, we found you. Huh? Okay, follow the arrow. Where is it? Follow the hand. It's like a little kitty with the light. Get it. Get it. Wow, look at the parking situation. Left a spot for Johnny. And there's a couple cars over there too. Their capes are flying on the zip line.
I'm gonna
That
do
right.
it after.
Woo!
There's
Coke.
no more sun that's not gonna do it.
Oh, a
The
bride.
sun is too bright.
The sun is too bright. It was flying, yeah.
It was
You were awesome. So you just, so I'll do the DIY right here of how to make these capes.
headed for a crash landing. Mayday, help me, I'm falling. I try to keep my head up, but you just knock me down. I'm falling to cold, cold ground. Turning lungs between us.
Awkward and holding on. Ooh, too scary.
Obstacles got in our way, and I guess I lost sight. I couldn't see the clearing. Love stars fog my eyes. Ever since I met you, all I've seen is stormy skies. Headed for a crash landing. Mayday, help me, I'm falling. I tried to keep my head up, but you just knocked me down. I'm falling to cold, cold ground. You had me spinning round and round in circles every day. I'm off course and never
We're going to call you the Cape
down the
Girls.
wrong way. I'll never fall in love again. That's one thing that I know. Your cold eyes froze my aching heart. From here on out, I'm so low. Headed for a crash landing. Mayday, help me, I'm falling. I try to keep my head up, and you just knock me down. I'm falling to cold, cold ground.
Rochelle.
He won't be able to do it.
I just did it.
Wow.
Watch April do it.
Watch April. Hey, watch April not do it. Oh.
See that
Whoa.
she's distracted.
Are you looking at this popsicle? What are you looking at?
Like, how do I get there?
You should have seen her staring at Jimmy Joe in church.
I am flying.
She stared at him and stared at him for like 5 minutes. Rochelle.
Studio lights.
Oh, you do?
Oh, it chopped your head.
What happened? We don't pay medical expenses here, so.
Chase, you're too little. Wow, Henry, look at you.
Well, she doesn't in one most of us. Sometimes if I don't.
Zade's gonna play on the swing. What? There she goes. Oh, now you don't need it? Henry, what are you doing? Did you see the airplane? Airplane?
Joanna, can you wipe his nose?
Tickle me, Daddy. No, don't tickle me, Daddy.
Daddy. Hudson, Katie's up there. She's been waiting for you. She's waiting for you. Hurry, go. She wants to see you up there. Oh, there goes Lena up.
Say no, Daddy.
Go ask your mom.
Hey, Johnny's family. Huh? Open it? Okay. What? Okay, let's get you one. There's a few scrapings left here.
Rosanna, I think I created a monster.
Hi! With who?
Watch.
Chase?
No, watch.
Who? Okay, let's see.
Start filming.
Okay, it's going.
I got this.
Uh-oh. Oh, a self-feeder. How cute. She stared at Rochelle for 5 minutes, and Rochelle didn't.
I think she just became my best friend.
I think so. What? Oh, we had to hide a piece of cake for Hudson and Evie. This is what Jimmy Joe hid it up here. Oh, there's 2 of them up here. That's pretty good. I said, where did you hide it? It would have been found. I think that is funny. Dress for what? What? You're going to Tyra. Oh, you are 16. Okay, I guess it's all right. All right, we've moved out onto this table to do the hot dogs. We've run out of room in the kitchen. And these are chicken, pork, turkey hot dogs, and we'll see if we like them. Do you want one? Do you want to try one, Hunter? That is beautiful. Where in the world did you find that?
It was just on a gift store that's
It's beautiful. What are you going to do with pine cones?
Nothing.
Oh, you just like carrying them? Here, let me get you.
No, I like to keep them.
You want to keep them? Do you want a plate to carry them on?
Yeah.
There you go.
Give me ice cream.
Because they're kind of poke on, see what the kids are doing out here. Evie's got a little horsey. Are you trying to ride the horsey? Wow. Uh-oh, it's getting out of control out here. Okay. Oh, no. What have we got? Uh-oh, what have we got? What? Oh, did you find your buddy?
No.
Oh, they said they promised we will clean it up, Grandma. What happened? Come here. Fine, are y'all there's one behind you. There's one more there. Which one do you want? Oh, we'll give the one to Ollie. Pull it out. I'm watching. Go. Whoops, wait till he gets out. Okay, go. Be careful going down the stairs. Wow.
Like thinking of trying to get a hat like that.
Did you see E.B. with her little cape? You just sew it on a shirt. Just sew a curtain on a shirt. That's all I did. And the kids love it. We've been done the second feeding. E.B. still got.
If you drop the ball.
This is down. The big kids are taking over the backyard.
Hey, 10 seconds to hide.
10 seconds to hide, and they hit them with the ball. Time for everybody to go. They've been here all day, and the babies get tired. What? Let's go see. Okay, the sun has set, and the kids. Oh, should you be letting her do that?
Only grandpas can do that.
Okay, we got it go. Oh dear. Oh, looks like we finally got the fire going. It takes us forever, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we finally got it going. Yeah. We had to get Grandpa out here because Grandma's too busy with other stuff. A leak.
It's disgusting.
And it's very disgusting. And we gotta call the plumber. And we found a ton of water in here. We got towels soaking it up, so we have a problem. What is it, Houston? We have a problem? Is that what it is? Yeah, that's a problem, Houston. It was fun having everybody over, and we found a problem with the plumbing, so we'll have to get that fixed tomorrow. Always fun, isn't that? Okay, so the quote I'll say is, create a life you can't wait to live. And I really like that one. And then yours is that one if you want to read that one. Which one? They're possibly the greatest.
Possibly the greatest waste in life is the gap between what you are and what you could become, or what you would like to become. Mm-hmm. I added that last part.
Oh, you did? I said, I don't remember reading that part. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be seeing the plumber tomorrow.
Well, I'm sitting here thinking with the cool breeze blowing across my sunburned face, and the birds are flying by up high in the sky without a care.